Welcome or welcome back to my channel. Hey, today I'm going to be doing another comparison video. Today I'm going to be comparing the As I Am Coconut Co-Wash against their new Jamaican Black Castor Oil Co-Wash. We should all be pretty familiar with the As I Am Coconut Co-Wash. This says that it has tangerine, coconut oil, castor oil, saw palmetto, and phytosterols. The Coconut Co-Wash claims that it effectively cleanses hair and scalp without sulfates and harsh detergents, hydrates dry hair for more vibrant, manageable natural coils and curls. The directions say to rub a liberal amount within palms and distribute through wet hair. Work product through hair and massage scalp with fingertips as you would a conventional shampoo. For easy detangling, carefully comb through hair with wide tooth comb before rinsing co-wash from hair. After detangling, rinse well. The Coconut Co-Wash does have this kind of lumpy texture to it. It's got some thickness to it, but it's still runny enough to where it can give you a good bit of slip. This JBCO Co-Wash is from their new JBCO line. This has Jamaican Black Castor Oil as well as vitamin C and vitamin E. And this is catered towards type 3 and type 4 natural hair. I'm really trying to read this. Bear with me. I can't see. As far as the packaging, it's the same 16 fluid ounces. However, the font, like the wording and the verbiage on the packaging is foiled and I can't see that. So I'm literally going to read it off of my phone. The Jamaican Black Castor Oil Co-Wash cleanses and conditions while detangling and moisturizing with a special blend of natural ingredients that works to promote healthier hair lengths and a healthier scalp. This unique nano blend of ceramides and Jamaican Black Castor Oil targets every hair strand for an even distribution of castor oil to help repair and restore hair and scalp health. The directions say to wet hair thoroughly, rub a liberal amount between palms and distribute throughout hair. Work product through hair and massage scalp with fingertips as you would a conventional shampoo. Carefully detangle with a wide tooth comb, rinse well. Repeat only if necessary to remove excessive product buildup or for further scalp cleansing. Follow with conditioning. So the directions and the claims are pretty much the same, except this is saying that it's targeting repairing as well as scalp health. You can smell the notes of Jamaican Black Castor Oil, but this does have a pleasant fragrance. It smells a little sweeter and a little fruitier. Jamaican Black Castor Oil line also tells us to repeat if necessary, while the original Coconut Co-Wash does not. Also says to follow up with conditioning, while the Coconut Co-Wash does not direct us to do that. So I'm going to do one on each side. I'm going to do the original Coconut Co-Wash on this side, and I'm going to do the Jamaican Black Castor Oil Co-Wash on my right side. I'm going to also include the ingredients in the description box so we can do a comparison that way as well. The texture of this co-wash is actually a little smoother. It doesn't have that same kind of lumpy texture as the original co-wash, and it's actually a little thinner than the co-wash. I am making a mess. I have my water bottle here and a towel so I can clean up the mess that I'm making, and I'm going to go ahead and get started. I went ahead and split my hair down the middle so that I could go ahead and do a side-by-side comparison of the Coconut Co-Wash on this side and the Jamaican Black Castor Oil Co-Wash on this side. I'm going to go ahead and apply the product and come back with my final thoughts. So I just finished applying the co-washes on both sides of my hair, and so far, I don't know, like this is the As I Am Coconut Co-Wash side here. We all know how this works. Thoroughly cleans the hair without stripping it. This side so far, This side might be giving the original Coconut Co-Wash a run for its money. Of course, I won't have a final opinion until I rinse it out, but this side had extremely great slip. I will say that the new Jamaican Black Castor Oil Co-Wash has a lighter, more slippery, runny texture. So I was able to glide my hair through my fingers on this side very easily. Of course, I didn't have an issue on the original Coconut Co-Wash side. I will say, because I tend to apply my co-washes and then spray it down with a little more water, this side did lather up a little bit more than this side, but I see y'all as I am. I see y'all. I see what you're doing here. So let me rinse these out and then I'll come back and let you guys know how they feel. Okay, so I am back from rinsing the co-washes from both sides of my head, and my scalp and my hair feel clean. My hair feels soft and moisturized. Like, look at that. Look at, come on, elasticity. Honestly, the only differences I'm seeing between the co-washes are the textures and the fragrance. They both thoroughly cleaned my hair, but still left it nice and soft and conditioned. Like, I am a fan. I am a fan. I really wish that I could decide between the two. I really don't have a favorite. They both work extremely well in my hair. If I had to tell you to choose one, I would tell you to choose whichever one is going to cater to your hair needs more. This one, of course, caters to restore and repair, while the Coconut Co-Wash is just simply an OG. There are people that have been using this for years and years and years and continue to repurchase it, and there is a reason why. So I love them both. Now, of course, these are going to work differently for different people. Great thing about them both is they're both easily found on the ground. I do know that the Jamaican Black Castor Oil line is in Sally's now, along with the Coconut Co-Wash, which is pretty much everywhere. Definitely make sure you pick them up. Let me know which one you would choose. Let me know if you've tried the new Jamaican Black Castor Oil Co-Wash. Did you prefer it over the original Coconut Co-Wash? Be sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.